Blue is reportedly one of the most popular colors among people, if not the most popular hue overall. However, most animals find it difficult to wear this shade. Unfortunately, there are no true blue pigments in plants, so animals can't turn blue through their diet. Less than 1% of the animal kingdom is thought to have any true blue pigment. In the animal kingdom, this serves as a reminder that coloration is crucial for adaptation, camouflage, and survival. The blue animals we know are actually a different color. They appear blue to us because of an optical illusion caused by the special structure of their bodies. Here are some elusively blue animals found in the world. So let's get started. Electric blue tarantula. In 2023, a team of scientists in Thailand discovered Chilobrichys natanicarum, aka the electric blue tarantula. The spiders live in a variety of habitats, including trees and the hollows of mangrove forests or burrows on the ground. This arachnid's wild color comes from the unique structure of their hair, not from a presence of blue pigment. Little blue heron. The little blue heron, a striking bird adorned in beautiful blue-gray plumage, is a sight to behold. It can be found in marshy habitats and along coasts throughout the Americas. An interesting fact is, unlike other herons, these creatures start with a white coat that gradually turns blue as they mature. This color transformation allows the young herons to blend with snowy egrets, thereby avoiding potential predators. Blue jay. The blue jay produces melanin, a black pigment, meaning that its feathers should appear black. However, tiny air sacs in the bird's feathers scatter light, making them appear blue to our eyes. Thus, since the distinctive blue color of the blue jay's feathers is not caused by pigments, it is possible to change the color of the bird's feathers back to black by altering their structure. Indian peafowl. Also known as the blue peafowl, this species can be found throughout the Indian subcontinent, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. It has then been introduced in various parts of the world and has sometimes returned to the wild. This bird is usually called peacock by most people, but it is interesting to note that this is actually what male peafowls are called, and female peafowls are called peahens. But when it comes to the amazing blue and green colors, only the male, the peacock, bears them. The females are grayish. Lagoon triggerfish. Another specimen from the vast marine world is the lagoon triggerfish, also known as the Picasso fish. The lagoon has a unique, radiant blue stripe across its eye, on an otherwise yellow and black body, making it a captivating sight in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Blue-ringed angelfish. Swimming closer to the shores of the Indo-Pacific Ocean, we find the colorful blue-ringed angelfish. This marine marvel is not solely blue, but is adorned with blue rings that gleam against its yellow-orange body. Mandarin dragonet. The Mandarin dragonet is a brightly colored fish from the Pacific Ocean that is one of only two vertebrates whose blue coloration is a result of cellular pigment rather than structural coloration. Blue land crab. Next up on our biological blues parade is the blue land crab, a truly fascinating creature. This vibrant species is native to the coastal regions of the southeastern USA and the Caribbean, with a strikingly royal blue body contrasted against blue or white claws. They're quite the sight to behold. One interesting fact though, the blue land crab is a terrestrial crab. Although it lives on land, it still needs to return to the sea to breed. Glaucus atlanticus. The blue dragon is a unique-looking sea slug that lives in the open ocean. It is what we call a pelagic species. They are found in most oceans across the world except polar regions, and they float upside down below the water's surface. They are small animals, not growing more than 3 centimeters or 1-2 inches. They are venomous creatures that can be potentially dangerous to humans, which feed on other venomous, pelagic animals, such as the Portuguese Meow that we happen to describe later on this page as well. The blue dragon is immune to the venom found in its prey and actually consumes and stores it to become venomous itself. Linckia laevigata blue sea star. The blue sea star is a very eye-catching starfish found in the tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, usually in coral reefs and seagrass beds. It can grow up to 30 centimeters in diameter. Their color can vary. They can be light blue or darker blue, or more rarely other colors, such as purple or orange. Portuguese man-o'-war. The Portuguese man-o'-war, or man-of-war, owes its name to the man-of-war, a 16th century warship. Its shape resembles the shape of the frigate with all sails out. This strange bluish, translucent animal simply floats on the surface of the ocean. It may be mistaken for a type of jellyfish, but it is actually a type of siphonophore. Portuguese man-o'-wars are known for their powerful venom that can potentially kill humans. Blue Morpho butterfly. Native to the rainforests of Mexico, Central America and South America, these butterflies are truly spectacular. There are 29 species of Morpho butterflies in total, and many share this incredible deep blue iridescent color, and many are large, with a wingspan of up to 20 centimeters, 8 inches. Females are often less colorful than males. On their underwings, blue amorphous have a spot resembling an eye to confuse predators, insectivorous birds, lizards, and frogs. Butterflies are famous for their short lifespan, and adult morphos live on average 2 or 3 weeks. Blue lobster. Lobsters are almost always green or brown, but on extremely rare occasions around 1 in 2 million a blue one will appear. This coloration is caused by a genetic mutation that causes the lobster to produce an excessive amount of a particular protein that gives it that color. Big blue bees. Bees come in a rainbow of colors beyond yellow, including green, violet, white and black, but the cerulean hue of these bees makes them popular among bug specimen collectors. They are close to 1 inch long, making them look particularly hefty, but they are not particularly aggressive. Unlike other bees, they prefer to live alone and not in busy hives. Blue iguana. This endangered species is endemic to the island of Grand Cayman in the Caribbean, which means that it doesn't exist anywhere else. It lives in dry and rocky areas, sometimes dry forests, and is a herbivore. It primarily feeds on leaves, fruits and flowers. When the lizards are born, they are intricately patterned but barely blue, with only some parts of their bodies maintaining a pale bluish-gray color. As they mature, they become bluer in color. However, mature lizards have the ability to change color and usually make themselves gray in order to blend in with the rocks that are found throughout their habitat. Blue poison dart frog. This gorgeous tiny frog is native to the region of the Sipaliwini Savanna, a national reserve in southern Suriname, South America. It measures no more than 4-5 centimeters in and lives up to 7 years. It is of course recognizable easily with its blue color with dark spots and patterns, which are unique to each individual frog, like a fingerprint. Like other poison dart frogs, its vivid colors are a warning sign. Its skin is toxic. These frogs are quite commonly kept as exotic pets, and they lose their toxicity in captivity because they lack the food they usually have in the wild. These are the blue animals. I hope you learned something new about the world around you. Thanks to those who watched the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel and expand your horizons together with us.